Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut curry chicken. I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. Over here I have 1 can of coconut milk, and that's a 15.5-ounce can. And over here I have 1 can of diced tomatoes, and that's a 14.5-ounce can. And I have 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of ground curry. And over here I have a medium onion that's chopped. And over here I have half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. I also have 1 pound of chicken thighs that are cut up, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, 3 garlic cloves that are minced. So now I'm going to add the half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt to the chicken, and you just want to mix it all in until it's completely covered. And this is what the chicken will look like once it's seasoned, and now I'm just going to go ahead and pan fry it until it's completely cooked. I've coated my pan with olive oil Pam spray, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cook my chicken until it's cooked through all the way. This is what your chicken will look like once it's ready. In another pan, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my onions. I've already coated it with Pam spray, and I'm just going to add my onions and cook it halfway through, then add the garlic. So now I've added my garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the onions are completely cooked and translucent before I start adding all the other ingredients. Now my onions are translucent, I'm going to go ahead and add the diced tomatoes, and I'm going to mix that in for about a few minutes with the onions. Few minutes, I've added my coconut milk, and now I'm going to go ahead and add all my seasonings, and I'm going to mix it in very well and bring it to a boil so everything can mix in very well together. And then once it becomes into a little bit of a thicker sauce, you're going to bring the heat down to medium and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of your sauce. Now it's been boiling for about 7 minutes, and I'm going to add my chicken, and I'm going to let it simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes. You just want to watch the sauce to see how thick it gets, and I'll show you how it should be when it's done. So this is what it should look like once it's ready. Now it's ready to serve, and I'm going to be serving it with jasmine rice, and I'm going to show you how I actually plate it. I went ahead and garnished my chicken with cilantro, and I'm serving it with white jasmine rice. Now this is my preference, but you can go ahead and use any rice that you prefer.